Hello and welcome to episode 7 of my DIY electric BMW conversion project. Not a lot of progress this week, but what progress I did make wasn't exciting. So let's get into it. So a new week and I'm making a start on the front mounts. So I've just drilled these in there to attach to the engine mounts, and then I think weld something like that across there, the hole there and there to bolt into that. Same on that side. Hopefully that will be strong enough. Maybe that way up. Not sure. Or behind. Maybe that behind. Something like that anyway. Right. So just roughed up a couple of front motor mounts. Just so I can check the positioning. Once it can take its own weight, I'll add some extra strengthening bits in or something. Clean the welds up and paint them. But yeah, that's what I've got so far for that. Right, so here we are. Got the inverter mounted in place. So it's going to live just there. I think it fits there quite nicely. These brackets, they're done, so the transmission is now supporting itself. I'll probably beef those up a little bit once I'm confirmed I'm happy with the position. Let's go underneath. So there we are. Transmission mounted, supporting itself, and let's just go and have a look. The alignment still seems okay. Yet to confirm that. But in theory, if I just jack the back up and put the bolts in, we should be able to spin the wheels. So that may be what I do next. It's got quite a sketchy setup. I've got the one module connected to HV, and this is my throttle. So I've got spinning. Propshaft spinning. The back's not connected, so the wheels won't spin yet. Look what we've got now. Happy days, happy days. There we go. That's the propshaft flange spinning away happily. Right, took the center console off so I can access this where the shifter's going to mount. I already came with the holes, but I had to buy these riv nuts from the BMW. I was just going to put just normal riv nuts in, but they're £1 each off eBay for the squared BMW one. So when they come, I can rivet them in, put the thing through there, set the shifter in place, trim back on. What I've also done is this liner was loose in there, so I've just put some contact adhesive on. There and stuck it back. Hopefully that'll just keep it out of the way. And then we can tidy the inside back up when that's done. Right, so we got the front mount sort of finished, not finished, but so it holds in position. And the exciting step of seeing the wheels spin. Then there was the problem with the Beetle. So let me see it. The rear doodah, the inner CV thingy. I'm gonna try and replace that and see if that fixes it. But yeah. So Merry Christmas. There may be a video next week. There may not. We shall see. But if not, Happy New Year as well. Thanks for watching.